Chapter 1, Introduction. In this day and age, we hear many tragic tales of loss and destruction to property. In fact, it is fast becoming the norm to have a neighbor whose bin was set on fire or whose house was vandalized. What is even more distressing is the fact that with the economic crisis that we are living in now, a lot of people have started keeping items like gold and silver and other investment pieces in their houses. It is all the more terrible, then, when some nobody comes in off the street and starts taking what you have slaved hard at work for, then either destroying it for some decadent form of enjoyment or to make by selling it off quickly. However, you need not worry, for you have just picked the book that can ensure your home is as safe as can be in this day. For with this book, I will teach you not only how to install a home surveillance system, but to be able to monitor it from the comfort of your own mobile phone. I know that sounds crazy, doesn't it? But it is true. That is exactly what I am about to tell you how to do. Honestly, it really is not as complicated as it first sounds. There are some good free software out there ready to help you on your way. And if you set everything up correctly, you will literally be able to look around your house from anywhere in the world. Note, only you will be able to do this, and my system leaves your house's cameras unavailable to anyone without the passwords you will create. For more tips on how to make your own home surveillance system, visit www.howexpert.com/home surveillance.